Is being an electrician in El Salvador well paid? On average, an electrician in El Salvador earns around 4,800 US dollars a year. This average electrician pay drops to $4,200 after tax, which leaves you with roughly $350 in monthly take-home pay. While that is the national average electrician income, working in San Salvador brings in noticeably more because workers there make $4,900 after tax, though higher living costs in the capital usually balance out that extra money. Starting out in the field means your electrician wages will be below these numbers, but you can build experience quickly to reach the average salary within a few years. On top of that, earning a formal technical degree opens doors to much higher earnings because it allows you to move into senior roles like electrical supervisor or project estimator. Focusing on complex industrial systems is another great way to increase how much does an electrician make in El Salvador over time.